Good night, all. My name is Helma Sri Handayani Sinaga. This is my conversation about my job in payroll with my head of finance. The setting, the head of finance office. Good morning, ma'am. Today, I would like to discuss a few things related to payroll department.
Good morning. Please have a seat. What would like you to talk about?
The first about the reconciliation. I have already completed the reconciliation for March, but there are a few transactions that have not been clear. I would like to know how to handle this.
All right, let's take a look together. Please show me the transaction.
And then source the reconciliation report and unclaimed transaction.
It looks like there are some error in the recording. Please check again with the bank book and proof of transaction.
Very well, ma'am. I will check again.
Then how is the preparation for first quarter financial report?
I have completed most of the data, but there is still some data that I have not received from other division. I am worried that the financial report will not be complete on time.
I understand. Please coordinate it again with the relevant division and make sure the data is received immediately. This financial report is very important for the board meeting next week.
Uh, yes, ma'am, I will take care of immediately.
Thank you. Is there anything else you want to talk about?
Yes, ma'am, I would like to ask about the new payroll system. I'm still having trouble using it.
Oh yes, I have received some complaint about this new system.
Yes, ma'am. Regarding attendance, there are still some complaint from employees whose the attendance is not recording in new system, and this is an obstacle from me to calculate their transportation.
Have you coordinated with IT department to find out what causing the problem?
Yes, I have already coordinated with IT department, but we haven't been able to find a solution yet. It seems like we'll need to contact the vendor to get this resolved.
Okay, are there any obstacle you experience with the new system payroll?
Yes, there are a few other issues I am having with the new payroll system. The first, the overtime calculation is not in accordance with the latest SK issued by the chairman of the foundation.
Hmm?
Second, the calculation of flash tax has not been adjusted in the new payroll system.
I agree there are still a number of things that need to fix with the new payroll system. I'm confident that once you contact the vendor and he discuss the issue, they will be able to resolve them quickly.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope so too.
Okay, next I would like to ask about the Eid allowance for our employee who celebrate. Since we have a very short working day next month, have you talked about the date for Eid allowance payment? And what about employee transportation allowance? Since it's a long holiday, have you talked about the solution?
Yes, ma'am. I have already contacted the bank. The LLV3 allowance will be received by employees on 27 and will still be recorded as an expense for this month of March. The transportation allowance will be paid yearly because the bank will also be closed.
Okay, now there are a few things I want to ask. First, the Foundation Board of Directors will meet next week. One of the agenda item is the financial report. Please make sure that all financial document and report are ready and organized.
Okay, ma'am. I will prepare the necessary financial data.
Next, we need to prepare a realities budget for payroll next year. This will be one of the agenda item for the meeting next week.
Sure, ma'am. For next year's salary budgeting, Will there be an increase or will it remain the same as now? In my opinion, we also need to create a salary budget for potential new employees who may be hired. For this matter, I will coordinate with the HR department. What do you think, ma'am?
Oh, great. I also agree with your suggestion. This way we can create a more realistic salary budget and it will be easier to evaluate in the future. How about you? Do you have any other question?
Yes, I have a few questions, ma'am.
Feel free to ask your question.
When we'll be discussing with the vendor to finalize the new payroll system, I need to adjust my schedule according so it doesn't clash too much with my monthly payroll data input and report generation schedule.
All right, I will ask the vendor soon to determine a meeting schedule with them properly, address the issue we're experiencing so that you can fully utilize the new payroll system.
Okay, ma'am. I hope there will be good news soon for our new payroll system.
I think it has a lot of potential. It much more user-friendly than the old system, and it will save us a lot time in the long run. However, we do need to make a lot adjustment to suit the current needs of our company.
Yes, ma'am. I hope so too. That's why all of our employees' personal and payroll data will be better organized. It will also be easier for us to test any error, and I hope it will be easier to create monthly payroll report.
Okay, do you have any other question?
I think that's enough, ma'am.
All right, I think we are good here. Please get back to work.
Thank you, ma'am.